Hi everybody, welcome back. This is a parcel from Lego, and this should have in here loads of different bricks, and it does. Get rid of that down there. What I have done here is I have ordered loads and loads of sample bricks, really. When I say sample bricks, they're relatively new. Well, they're all brand new bricks from the Lego website. And I did this because, as you know, there we go, we've got more. On the big display here, I've picked sort of all sorts of bricks and things that I might want to use. So down this middle section here, we want to build a roadway for everything on the display. So I picked tiles, and loads of them, that I think are going to work possibly well to build a road. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to play about with some of these, and I'll show you the outcomes of what we play about with to see whether we can actually get a decent roadway up here that I like. We're going to start with just one or two down here and see what it looks like, and then work us way right the way to the end, following the same sort of pattern of roadway. But first we've got to decide what sort of roadway we're going to build. So the idea of getting these is, like I say, so we can play about with them and see which works best. So the first job really is going to be to sort these into all the same parts. So let's do that now.